Welcome to this Duncan Cartledge Online video presentation on the measurement of external works and landscaping using NOM2. This video tutorial is best viewed in conjunction with the video tutorial on cut and fill. The measurement of external works is split over 3 NOM2 sections, as shown here. Now, incidentally, if you're referring to the first edition of NOM2 while working through this video, note this presentation is based on the second edition, and there are quite a few changes between the two editions that affect the measurement of external works. As mentioned on the previous slide, there will almost certainly be excavation and filling needed for the various external works items, and this is usually included and billed in Section 5 as part of the groundworks package. And now, on to fencing. This section is quite straightforward. Generally, fencing is measured in linear meters over all supports, giving a detailed description of the fencing. Items such as gates and ironmongery are enumerated separately. As indicated on this page, all work to the basis of fencing is deemed to be included. Incidentally, when I started my career using an earlier standard method, post and post holes had to be counted and enumerated separately, and I was once called out for having more holes than posts. For the full picture on the measurement of external works, together with over 9 hours of video presentation, go to Duncan Cartledge Online. And please, don't forget to download the podcast.